So we're back in Dearborn and getting a little bit of harassment from some of the Muslims. The young Muslim guys basically figured out what we're doing. We're Christians and we're trying to convert Muslims, and they're mad about it, but I don't really care because they live really perverted, nasty lives, and they claim they're religious, but really they're just relying on some works, but they really aren't good works. They just live really bad lives. You know, their lives are just full of cheating and just drugs and nasty stuff. So they really don't have a leg to stand on. So I don't care what they say. One of them said something rude to me, and his girlfriend was apologizing, but, you know, whatever. I've heard it all. I've got really thick skin, you know. I've been through a lot, so I've got some thick skin. Nothing anybody says can really bother me too much. But we're going to get out on the streets because there's bees coming in my car now. Great. But yeah, so I don't know. I'm not really worried about what they say. Obviously, they don't want to believe the truth because it's easier to believe a lie. You can do whatever you want. The Bible commands us to be different and holy and set apart, where the Quran just says, hey, do whatever you want. Do whatever feels good. So that's the big difference here. So, here we are. Again in Dearborn. Come here, Bethel. Come on. Come on, Philly. Hold on to my stroller. So people are starting to recognize what we're doing and who we are, which is kind of good and kind of scary. We kind of like to blend in as much as we can, but we really can't blend in that much because obviously we look different. We're white. I have blue eyes and blonde hair. You know, stand out a lot just because of that. Yeah, Bethel. But my husband's happier because I went and got us some longer dresses during the fall. I like to wear long dresses in the fall and winter, but in the summer, I just can't do it. It's too hot, and I have high blood sugar, so I'm always warm and very high energy, which is one thing that me and my husband are both have in common. We're both high energy people. Up late at night. We were up till 3 last night. Come on. Okay, stay together. Don't go nowhere. Yeah, high blood sugar gives you lots of energy. So that's the good part. It's a blessing in that way. It's a curse in other ways, but... This here, this there. Okay, let's go this way. But I guess it's a good thing if they're talking about us. That means they know we're doing something. Okay, leaving these here. Stay with Mama. You silly. You're silly. What are you doing? Hi. We're just leaving these behind from our church for people to read. Yep. They just tell you about Jesus inside. Yep. Okay. Keep going. You are very cute. Alright, stay by Mama. Don't go nowhere out. Hi. Leaving that for you to read. Yep. Stay by Mama. Don't get away from me. Okay, we're leaving this here. Just stay close. Don't give it back to him. Don't fight over toys out here. You'll start a fight in the middle of the road here. Okay. So, whatever. Long dresses are better. They're more receptive, obviously, to my long draw than a short one, but I don't know. I just run really hot, so stop. So I do what I do. Hold on to it. Yeah, hold on to the stroller. Don't play in the dark. Quit playing in the dark. It's crazy though, because it is like a dream come true coming here. I literally dreamed about it, and then it happened. So some of my dreams are prophetic. Some of them are not good though. Had a dream the other day that was very bad. But that's common with diabetics. Their blood sugar goes down, they have dreams. But sometimes my dreams are prophetic. Don't climb in there. I try to get them to play a lot before we come out. They won't be so wound up, but even still, we're wound up. Stay close to Mama. Yeah, I had a very bad dream. I don't want to talk about it. No, don't go in there. Come on. Here, you want to do this one? You can put this one up on this porch. We'll let you. We'll let you do this one, okay? You can do this one. Go up here. Leave it up there. Like a good girl. Okay. Take it up there. Leave it up there and then come back. Just like Daddy showed you. Leave it there by the door. Then come down. Very good. Okay, come on. Come on, you got it perfect. Let's go. Come on. Gio, don't play in the sand. Hurry, Bethel. Yeah, it's way easier to do it ourselves, but I like to get them involved so they know what to do, obviously. Come on. Ouch. What do you see on that flag? What do you see on the flag? Hold on, stay by me. Come on, Bethel. Someday you'll look back and laugh. You played in dirt piles in Dearborn, preaching to Muslims. Come on, Bethel. Let's go this way.
I broke it.
Funny girl. All right, hold on to
I
this.
broke it.
Hold on to this.
I broke it.
Oh, it's okay. All right. What do we see here? More Muhammad flags. Bethel, come here. Come on. Picking up rocks.
I broke it.
So much like your mommy, I collected all kinds of rocks.
I broke it.
Hold on to this. Okay.
I broke it.
Very good. Okay.
I broke it.
Be good. Come on. Come on. Obviously, I like it more when my husband's with us because he's funny and he's Superman, but he can't always be with us. He's got to work a lot. He's got his own business. He's very successful at that. But it takes a lot of time. So, sucks, but that's the way it goes. Hey, come on. Hello. Sit down. Sit down. Sit back down. Sit back down. Alright, come on. Okay, we're going to let Gio do one. Here, Gio, jump out real quick. We'll let you do one. Come on. I don't know. You sit in the stroller now. Yep, take turns. You sit down. You sit down. Hurry up. I don't know. I'm always kind of in a hurry, basically. The Bible says redeem the time. The days are evil. Don't waste time. And, again, I have high blood sugar, so I'm a high energy person. Some people don't like that. But whatever. I wouldn't want to be really slow. So, I don't know. Leave that there. Some people are just too easygoing, too, I think. They're not serious enough. They're not upset enough about sharing the gospel. They just don't care, and it's obvious and sad.
He's squashing pumpkin.
Okay, hold on to this.
He squashed pumpkin. He squashed.
But I think the more hardships and tough times you've been through, the more you tend to care.
He squashed pumpkin.
So some of the best converts are people that have been through hard times. There you go. You want to do this one too? Okay, we'll let you do 2 or 3, and then you're going back in the stroller. Is that there? Leave it there. Come back. Leave it and come back. Okay, leave it. Hurry up. Come on. Come back. I'm not going to play. Come on. Okay, you can do it. Alright, hold on the stroller. Alright, no more. Nope. All done, Yo. Let's see if we can control ourselves, Yo. No. Yeah, see, Yo gets crazy. Get up. What? Hold on the stroller. He gets a little too crazy. Alright, Bethel, you're going to have to get up and put Gio back. Gio's crazy and wild. Here, Gio, stand here and help me. Just stay here. I'm going to leave 2 here. Alright. Come with me. So, we're about done here. We're going to head back. Had to give Bethel a sucker. She started crying. It's always interesting. You never know what's going to happen when you take kids. But we made a little bit of contact. I can't wait to come back with my husband. And sometimes he has health problems, so he doesn't feel very good. Last time we went out to get a stomach ache, he didn't really want to knock. But hopefully next time we'll be knocking the rest of this road and talking to more of the Muslims. But I think even giving out Bibles is good, you know. It's getting the information out there, letting them at least know what the Christians believe. What is the difference between Christianity and Islam? Come on, Bethel. Come on. Hurry up. Hold my hand. Hold on to my stroller. Quit doing this. Going slow. And I know that our family, preachers, missionaries will be very proud of what we are accomplishing. We've got now 16,000 Bibles to the Muslims so far at Dearborn, and we've got like 5,000 more to go. And we've found some missionaries that just keep giving them to us, so God is good. And we know He wants the Muslims to get reached, so we're just going to keep at it. Come on, Beth. So that's about all I'm going to say today. It's been another crazy day here. Gio's eyes. People always ask me about his eyes. They're really weird, orange colored. Almost green. They're golden. We call him the golden boy because of this. And Bethel has her cute little dress I bought her, which I love. The Oriental, kind of Native American style dresses. I think they're cute. And my family's Cherokee, so. But those are Gio's eyes. For those who are wondering, what color are Gio's eyes? The question we get a lot. They are a weird gold, brown, orange color.